When will the crypto bull market end? Signals you must watch. Are we at the top, or is there more room to run? Quick context, mention Bitcoin peaking near $124,000 in August 2025. Set viewer expectations. We'll unpack expert forecasts and top indicators so you can time your exit smarter too. Expert forecasts claims the bull run could peak as early as September or October 2025, following historical patterns about 518 to 546 days after the April 2024 halving warns. There's only a very small sliver of time left. CryptoQuant, on-chain data, signals the crypto bull market may already be in its final stages, with metrics resembling previous cycle tops. The profit and loss P&L index suggests we might be entering consolidation or correction, potentially lasting 6 to 12 months. So the forecasts point to a possible bull run peak between now and October. But what signals should you monitor in real time? 3. Key signals to watch. 1. Technical chart patterns. Double top / triple top are classic reversal patterns. A confirmed drop below the neckline is often bearish. Watch volume and retest behavior carefully. 2. Overbought indicators, RSI and momentum. RSI readings above 70 often precede a market peak. Spot sudden spikes in momentum that could signal exhaustion. 3. On-chain and capital flow metrics. CryptoQuant's 36% of BTC traded in the past month mirrors previous cycle tops. P&L index and similar metrics highlight waning price momentum. Also consider stablecoin flows, ETF demand, and institutional accumulation. 4. Market sentiment, so FOMO. Extreme bullish sentiment often emerges near tops. Crypto FOMO is real. Social media frenzy and headline chasing often coincide with peaks. 5. Altcoin rotation and market breadth. Watch if gains narrow to a few big names. Breadth narrowing is a red flag. Ethereum running ahead or lagging can offer clues. 6. On-chain cycle indicators, Elliott waves, etc. Structural patterns, Elliott waves, can help identify cycle stages. Once impulsive waves complete, corrective waves tend to follow. 7. Macro signals and liquidity environment indicators like Fed rate decisions, ETF inflows, and stablecoin liquidity shifts can sway crypto markets. Current sentiment is cautiously optimistic. 4. Countdown to peak, timeline visual. April 2024 halving, historical 518 to 546 days. Mid-September to mid-October 2025. Overlay current date, September 2025. Mark levels like $124,000, peak, and $105,000 to $112,000. Key zones. 5. Real-time alerts, building your watch list. Set RSI alerts for BTC and ETH. Track volume and double triple top patterns. Chart watchers. Watch daily exchange flows and P&L index, CryptoQuant. Monitor sentiment metrics. Crypto fear and greed, social volume. Watch Ethereum versus. Altcoin leadership for breadth. Macro headline. Alerts ETF news. Fed hints, stablecoin movements. Between now and October 2025, the bull run may hit its peak, as indicated by historical cycles, on-chain metrics, and technical signals. Set your indicators, watch the trends, and don't get caught chasing the top. Drop your thoughts. What signal are you watching most? Like, subscribe, and hit that bell for timely updates.